Hey guys, what's happening? You're a curious soul, trying to find that one reel you scroll past at 2 a.m. and can't stop thinking about. Let's go full detective mode. Here's the complete guide on how to check your recently watched reels on Instagram. First, the truth. Instagram still doesn't have a direct recently watched reels tab. Why? Meta. Why? But don't panic. There are clever workarounds to find those lost gems. Here's every working method that actually helps. Method 1. This works surprisingly well if you remember anything about the video. Use your Instagram search history, the creator's name, hashtag, sound, or even keyword from the caption. Right? Open Instagram, tap the search magnifying glass icon at the bottom. In the tab bar, tap the search field and your recent searches appear. All right. Scroll through until you spot the creator, sound, or tag related to the reel. Tap it, Instagram will pull up content linked to that topic or profile. Pro tip, if you interacted, liked, commented, shared, it's easier to track down later. Method 2, check your liked reels. All right. If you double tapped that reel, which you probably did, it's saved in your likes history. Go to your profile at the bottom right, hit the 3 lines at the top right, and hit activity or your activity. You're gonna see the interactions, comments, likes, reposts, and other stuff, plus likes. Switch to reels using the filter or just scroll. Your most recent likes are at the top. You will see every video, photo, and reel you've liked in order. Method 3, use the saved reels section. If you hit bookmark or save icon while watching, it's even easier. Go to the profile icon at the bottom right, tap the 3 bars, the menu, and then choose saved. Tap all posts or reels folders. Right? Scroll to find the video. Instagram keeps them in chronological order. Right? Pro-move, create folders like funny reels, aesthetic shots, or workout inspo to organize them. All right. Method 4, check if your watch history. If you use Meta Account Center. This one's new-ish. Meta sometimes syncs interactions across accounts. Go to the settings and then Meta Account Center. All right. Select your informations. And then hit logged activity. Right. Or your activity off. You can see search history. Right. Or logged activity. Yeah, some users see a video viewing activity still rolling out. Tap it and it might list reels you've watched under your linked Facebook or Instagram accounts. This feature isn't available for everyone yet, but keep checking. Meta's slowly expanding it. Method 5, revisit audio pages or hashtags. If you remember the soundtrack or the topic, you can trace it back. Go to the search, right? Then type like they create something, and then hit reels. Right? Type the song name or hashtag you recall. Scroll through the results. Instagram's algorithm prioritizes things you've engaged with before. Sometimes your recently watched reel will pop up again near the top, right? So, TLDR, if you remember the creator or keyword, use the search history. If you like the reel, your activity, and then likes. You saved it, profile, then save. You want everything ever watched, request, data, download. Cross-platform sync, you can use Facebook Reels history. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.